mission, made my decision to test my limits. Cause it's my business, God as my witness. Start what I finished. Don't need no hold up, taking control of this kind of moment. I'm locked and loaded, completely focused. My mind is open. Oh, that you got skin to skin. Oh my God, I thought you stayed.